Okay, so I did 1,500 burpees in 30 days, and yep, that was difficult. So I hope everyone is doing alright. This video is the second monthly challenge I did with subscribers, so you guys suggest challenges and I do it with you, and I post your results in the video. So for this one we did 50 burpees a day for 30 days, so that was for the month of April. So let's start with day one. So for day one it was my worst day by far. I did it in 11 minutes and just normal burpees, so just one push-up and stand up. And I was always like tired after 5 reps or 10 reps, so I was doing 5 or 10 reps per set. And it took me 11 minutes to do 50 burpees. That's crazy. But then I kept improving super fast. So on day 3 I did it in 3 minutes and something, 30 seconds I think. And yeah, I kept going faster and faster and it kept getting easier. And also notice I'm not putting my hands up because the ceiling is pretty low, so I don't wanna, you know, push it or just like break the ceiling. So on day 10 I actually started doing push-ups, clap push-ups, because it was too easy. And on day 20 I started to do beyond the bike push-ups, so that was really impressive. I've never done more than 10 push-ups like this. And then on day 23 I was actually training for the double clap and the triple clap push-up. I did this because just the normal burpees was way too easy. I could do it in like 2 minutes 50 or something. So yeah, I wanted to make it more difficult without increasing the number of burpees I would do, because it's 50 burpees a day. I cannot do 100. That would be cheating and not be honest. So on day 25 again I kept getting more faster and more explosive. When I say explosive, it means that I can release more energy at once. Okay, Johnny, please, I'm recording a video. That's my seagull, by the way. Okay, so day 30 was my best day by far. I could do 25 to 30 reps in just one set, compared to day 1 where I could just do 5 normal push-ups. That's a crazy transformation. I'm very proud, and yeah, I've never been this explosive in my life. Okay, so I didn't see any physical changes, I mean not that much. Burpees is the only exercise that I did for 30 days. So maybe better shoulders and chest, but definitely abs did not improve, because last time we did the plank challenge and I stopped doing the plank to do only burpees, so my abs didn't get any better. Okay, so with the burpees I definitely see an improvement in my power. It's also an easy full body workout, but I would recommend doing abs exercises if you work out doing burpees. And also my stamina got better. I was better at running longer distances. Okay, now we will move to the subscribers transformation. So those are the people that did the challenge with me. So Darnie307 on Discord, you can definitely see an improvement in his shoulder and chest, and maybe even arms, triceps, I think. Then we have Luke. Luke is just like me, so at the start he could do 7 to 10 in a row. Now he can do 20, and it's also a very great warm-up and pump exercise. I agree with him. So here is his change. His chest and shoulder also improve, I think. Next we have Piggies, who actually lost weight. He went from 70.5 kg to 68.5, so he lost 2 kg in a month. So you can definitely see it. His waist is smaller and his chest improved, even from the side, the profile. And also his back definitely improved. That's the biggest change I've seen in those pictures. Up next we have Calix Let. So he also lost 2 kgs, and everyone's losing 2 kg, man. And you can also see it, his chest and belly fat seems to have reduced a bit. Alright, so to finish we have AOT 0611 Z-Man. And it's his second time doing the monthly challenge, and on this one I can definitely see his abs and chest improving, and also the lighting is a bit different, but I can definitely see improvements also in his waist. So good job to everyone. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.